Hey, what's up, guys? It's the morning of April 14th, and it's the opening turkey morning in Northern Illinois. And I'm more than excited to be ready to go. We went out last night and roosted some birds. I'm actually on a new farm this year. Never hunted this farm before. A very good farm. It should be a pretty good hunt, but more of an observation hunt this morning. We got a couple birds roosted, and we'll see what happens, but I'm betting tomorrow's going to be the day. We got to get these birds figured out. We've been looking at them the last couple days, but they're just not real patternable right now with this cold weather. We actually had frost last night, and that's not normal. So we're going to see what happens. Stay tuned. Well, I'm pretty much pissed off, exhausted. This sucks. Those birds worked just like I wanted them to. I was just about 20 yards out of position. They started moving off the other way in the draw, and I figured for sure it was over with. And all of a sudden, a couple more hens flew down, came out kind of by the decoys, had one come right on the decoy, and 3 more came running off the hill right towards me. So I had a pile of hens out in front, and sure enough, here came the toms. Well, the toms came through and were strutting around and moseying around with the hens, and I couldn't get anything to pull off the hens to go to my hen. And the jakes came out, and the jakes moseyed around, strutted a little bit. Frustrating. So frustrating. They're talking thunderstorms in the morning tomorrow, so I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. If they push the storms back, I'll go out, but if it's going to storm, I'm going to give them a couple days. I guess we'll see what happens. Friday's my next day. That's looking good for the weather. We can hope about Wednesday and Thursday, but chances aren't very high. So I guess stick with us, see if we can get it done. I'm about done. For as dumb as birds they are pretty smart. So, stay tuned.
I smoked him. It's just starting to pour and I smoked him. Oh my God, I don't even know what to think right now. I don't even know. That was a rush. I could not believe that it came together. There was no way this was supposed to happen. Oh my God. Finally, we wanted these birds so hard. And you know the troubles of self-filming. I mean, it's not easy to get a bird on film. And we got lucky enough today. I had the 2 hens and the Jake, and the birds were really talking on the roost. And all of a sudden they shut up, so I figured they'd flown down. I did some calling, and it'd probably been about 20 minutes. And I just happened to look out the back window, kind of thinking the birds were going to come that way. And sure enough, there was that Tom. He probably had a 10-inch beard on him. I haven't got his spurs yet, but that's what it's all about right there. I had to shoot him left-handed because I couldn't get out the window. Just the way the angles were with the camera in the window and everything, I couldn't shoot him right-handed. So I had to switch to my off hand, and I shot and made it count. I mean, he did the crappie flop. Wow, that's a rush. I'll never. You don't get anything like that anywhere else. That is a freaking rush. Holy cow. Bought a new shotgun this year and just put it to work. I couldn't be more happy. God, I don't even know what to say. I'm at a loss for words right now. That's a hell of a bird. I'm so excited. Let's go find him. We had a hell of a hunt this morning. I still can't believe it worked out. It's just starting to rain now. I didn't think there was any chance we were going to get a bird. 3rd season in Northern Illinois. Birds are starting to get quiet. This bird came in totally quiet. I didn't know he was there at all. Kind of just happened to turn around me. Wow. Anyway, had to shoot him left-handed the way the blind worked out in the windows. So I wasn't sure if I was even going to make the shot. Well, it turned out that I did. And what a bird. He's probably got, let's see here, 10-inch beard or so. About 3/4 of an inch spurs. What an awesome bird though. I'll never forget this hunt. This hunt was a lot of fun. Huge shout out to the farmer that I'm hunting this ground. It's awesome property. Awesome property. I'd never been able to hunt this ground before, and it was all new to me. Came in 1st season, saw a lot of birds, had a lot of fun. But couldn't quite get it done, couldn't get close enough. Kept calling this morning and calling, and sure enough, I pulled one from the flock. Man, what a bird. Big old heavy bird, big head. That's what it's all about. Right there, that's a lot of fun.